guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and do that, and I'll be right here when you return. Anyway, so we're getting started on this look today. I'm going to show you guys a full face and then the eyes. The eyes are fairly straightforward. The hardest part is obviously the eyeliner, but this look brings so much drama to the eyes. I love it. I feel like I'm ready for like a red carpet. If only I was invited. So let's get started. Going to get started with Master Prime from Maybelline. If you have any dark spots, I recommend getting a color corrector, and this is like an orange and it's to balance out any dark areas. So I'll just do that where the sun usually doesn't hit. Alright, now that I look like an Oompa Loompa, I can get started on Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. This is in shade 130 Buff Beige. Next, I'm going in with Tarte's Shape Tape, and if you guys don't know, it is on sale right now on their website, so definitely take advantage. I've never had a better concealer. It looks like I got into a bag of powdered donuts. Next, going in with the shade Coconut from Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. This will be our contour. Now I'll be going in with Covergirl's Clean Professionals translucent powder. This is just their medium shade. I'll be going in with Too Faced Do You, and this is supposed to be a setting powder, but I got shades too dark, so I'm just going to set where I would put some bronzer. Now going in with Estēe Lauder's Bronze Goddess, and this is in their medium tan, and I'm just going to apply that under my chin and brush away this setting powder. I'm now going to go in with the Liquid Illuminator from Makeup Obsession, and this is in Let's Glow. When I wear these open neck shirts, I always like to contour. I'm sure you guys might have caught that. I contour these bones. You can exaggerate them, and you just do the darker here, kind of like here. I don't know if you can see it. And then I'm going to put this, it is Sephora's, and it is a glow stick. So I'm just going to highlight this bone. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to keep them very natural looking, but I will be filling them in with Bobbi Brown, and this is in Gunmetal ink.
Described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
I'm going in with Great Lash from Maybelline. It's clear. It'll just help keep these eyebrows in place. The eyebrows are done. This shine will go away. So I'm going to be using an eye primer. You guys could use a normal primer. I just have this and need to get rid of it, so that's what's happening there. Going back in with my Maybelline foundation, and just shaping these up. I'm going to be taking the tiniest dot of the Liquid Glow, and I'm just going to take not even half of that and just kind of, I'm just like wiping it down so that I can go in right in the arch. Before we get started on the eyes, I almost forgot blush, which is funny. I always almost forget it every time, but it's my favorite part. So going in with Penny from the Burgundy palette, since it's a very natural blush, and I'm just going to keep it on the outer cheeks today. By keeping the blush on the outer parts of the cheeks, it's kind of opening up my face and keeping this very natural, clear for the front. The eyes today, it's going to be fairly simple as far as powder. We're just gonna have like around 2 shades. So I'm going in with my favorite transition color, Beach, from the Burgundy palette from Kylie Cosmetics. First, we're going to take a round brush, and I'm going back in with what I used for my blush, this very coppery tone. It's like a light peach. It's called Penny. And I'm gonna go in on the entire surface of my lid. Also going to take this peach and put it under my lower lash line. Now I'm going in with Urban Decay's Naked Ultimate Basics palette, and I'm going to be going in with this gray shade called Magnet. The important part with this color is to stack slowly. So if I want to darken, I can, but I don't want to go in too dark to begin with because then you can't take it away. I'll be going in on the outer crease and the inner crease. I'm going to completely avoid this center area. I'm realizing that I want some inner eye sparkle, and I know that this copper tone from the Nubian palette would be perfect for it. I'm gonna take that Magnet and go on the outer corners and inner corners of my lower lash line. Now that we have this kind of like V on each side of the eye, I'm going to go in with the eyeliner and finish off this look. I'm going to kind of stencil it in with Maybelline's Precise All Day, and this will just help me trace it when I'm going with the more unpredictable e.l.f. liquid liner. The wing is a pretty basic one, and I'll kind of go fast through that. When we get to the inner corners of the eye, instead of using my liquid e.l.f., I'm going to go in with this gel. e.l.f. I'm experimenting, I guess, to see if this doesn't make my eyes water as much. Anytime that I go anywhere near the inner corners of my eyes, it's just like a waterfall. So we're gonna try this today, and until this time, I'm gonna speed things up. Like I said, I'm going in with the e.l.f. gel, and I'm using e.l.f. eyeliner brush. It is very small and angled to help me just get in there precisely. Update, I'm not crying. I officially love this stuff. I'm more used to the liquid liner, so I think that I'm still going to use it for my wings. And but this is pretty awesome for the inner eye, staying like where I want it. We'll see how it lasts throughout the day. I'm going to set this look with Bare Minerals setting spray, and then I will find a lip color to match this. I'm going to be going in with Maybelline's Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner. This is in shade 125, Magnetic Mauve. I'm going to go on the entire lip in NYX's Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in shade Stockholm. I'm going to finish off the lip in NYX's Butter Gloss. This stuff is heavenly and it smells like marshmallow, so I want to eat it all the time. This is in shade Tre Leche. Don't know what that means. That was really horrible. It's supposed to be French and then it turned Italian real quick. Literally want to eat this. I was looking for something a little more coral, but it works. I'm going to finish up here with some Maybelline Legal Length mascara and then go in with some Ardell Wispy lashes. They're being reused from another look, so they're not very pretty in the box or anything, so you'll see me after this is all over. This is the final look. I really like it. I really like how just doing the eye makeup like this does really dramatic things for the eyes. First of all, let's just say thank you, sun, for this golden hour moment. I've never done filming at this time, but I think from now on, this is my light. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you love me. Just kidding, but I really would appreciate it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's very shimmery, glossy, and full-on drama for these eyes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.